welcome to my channel. This is my vacation. Welcome to my channel. This is my vacation vlog. We are going to San Antonio. But yeah, I just woke up. It's currently like 6 o'clock. I got like an hour to get ready. So I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna pack like the rest, you know, like my toothbrush, face wash, you know, stuff like that. I'm gonna finish you know, packing or whatever. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm gonna be showing, you know, showing you guys the tea of San Antonio, and we're gonna have fun, and it's gonna be fun, period. But yeah, the next time I'm really gonna see y'all is probably gonna be in the car. Probably in the car right before we leave. I'm probably gonna show you how I look right before we leave, or how I look right before we leave, like, you know, like my on the road outfit or whatever. I'm probably gonna show y'all that. I hate when it's when you sleep with stripper, that shit say like flip up.
Girl, back the fuck up.
But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all, you know, like what I got on my coat. It's gonna be like, anyway. But if you want to see me get my hair done, nails done, and you know, just prep for the vacation, definitely go watch my last vlog. Finish watching this one first. So me trying to stop this one, then go to the other one. My bad. Finish watching this one, then go to that one. Okay? Thank you. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get done getting ready. Bye. Okay, y'all. So this is the hairstyle I ended up choosing. Isn't it cute? But yeah, this is the vibes. This is the vibes. I'm really feeling it. That's my bag in the back. But yeah, so I'm all ready to go. Got my little road trip outfit on. It's only a 3-hour ride to San Antonio because we in Houston right now. But yeah, it looks so freaking cute. I feel like it's giving. At first I was gonna do the pigtails. Wait, hold on. At first I was gonna do the pigtails and then have like a side thing, but I was like, no. My forehead is so big, y'all. Really huge. But yeah, this is how I look. I feel like I look good. I feel like I look pretty. And yeah, we finna leave in a little bit. We're gonna put all our stuff in the thing in the car. And then we finna go. I want some snacks though. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna show y'all a little bit of the road. And I'm probably gonna get back to y'all when we stop at like a gas station or something.
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck. I just want fuck, be asleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you lead me to the ark with the password? I need you, man.
Alright y'all, so we just made it to San Antonio. And we just parked. So we finna do the river walk. We finna do the river walk. We finna do the river walk, and I think that's it for today. We're gonna eat somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all everything that I can.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast. Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad. Snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no one.
Alright y'all, so It's like either rainforest vibe. So we walk in there. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when we get there what the inside look like and what our food look like. And it better be good.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to meet them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Juice follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the price. I feel period. Oh, he know. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't want the money, yo. Feel like I'm typing something. I'm the type to get active and never. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the car, let her feel the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it.
Okay, y'all, so we're leaving the restaurant. The food was a 10 out of 10. But, baby, the restaurant get a 1 out of 10 because I seen a roach. But it was after we left. It was when we was leaving, I seen the roach. And I'm just like, what? But yeah, the restaurant was a 10 out of 10. Y'all see how it looked. Y'all gonna see it in the clips before. What the restaurant looked like, what it was about. You know, stuff like that. Y'all already gonna see. So yeah, it was a 10 out of 10. The restaurant was a 10 out of 10. Cleanness was a 1 out of 10. Nachos, 20 out of 10. But I'm mad because I didn't know it was beef. I should have asked, but I'm not supposed to eat beef because I don't eat beef. But it's okay. It was only a little bit, but yeah. Y'all look at this lip combo. What is it giving? And we about to do the river walk thing where you get on the boat. And so I'm gonna record some of that for y'all. You know, show y'all what it's giving. And then that's pretty much it. I think then we're gonna go to the hotel. Then we're gonna do something after that, maybe. I'm not sure. But yeah. See y'all when we about to get on the boat. Alright, y'all. So we just got on the boat. And I'm gonna the next clip is probably just gonna be like a music, just showing y'all, which that's gonna be majority of like this trip, I feel like. So yeah. That's the next clip. I'm gonna just be like, you know, showing y'all what they're showing us and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all gonna see the stuff in the next clip.
Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special to.
Hey y'all, so we just got to Walmart. The Riverwalk was a 3 out of 10. Wouldn't do it again. We just got to Walmart. And we finna just get some stuff for tomorrow, like we finna get some like, you know, fans and stuff, and you know, stuff like that, because it was too hot to walk around here with no fans, no nothing, just over here just going with the flow. Just going with the flow. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get back to y'all when we get to the hotel. You know, show y'all the hotel a little bit, and that's probably gonna be it for today. And then we're gonna start again tomorrow. Yeah. See y'all in the next clip. Hey y'all, so we just got to the hotel. It's cute, it's real, it's giving the girl. It's giving luxury vibes. Hold on y'all, let me give y'all like a little tour downstairs. Hold on. So when you first walk in, it's like this little waterfall thing. Then it's like this little sit down area. They got like a little bar over there. Then it's like a little massage chair thing. And then whatever that is over there, I ain't going there. Like a little sit down area. And I'm pretty sure there's a pool out here. Oh, never mind, it's not a pool. Oh, this is a restaurant. So 1972 restaurant, connect to the hotel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, that's not pretty much it, but that's pretty much like, you know, most of the downstairs. I'm not sure if they have a pool or not. I don't know, but I brought my base up. Maybe I want to get in the pool, baby. I want to look cute. I want to look cute. That's what I want to give the vibes. You feel me? But yeah, that's basically the hotel. Hey y'all, good morning. I just woke up. I don't know when the last time I talked to y'all, but baby, I just washed my face and brushed my teeth.
Girl, back the fuck up.
But yeah, I don't know when the last time I talked to y'all. But we finna go down and get breakfast. It's 7 in the morning. It's 7 in the morning. And we finna go down and get freaking breakfast. And yeah. Okay, I just checked. So the last time I talked to y'all was actually when we was downstairs when we first checked in. But after that, we had went in the hotel, you know, chill for a little bit. Then we went to go get. Then we went to Walmart. No, we went to H-E-B. And then I got an icy for this place. They're pretty popular here, I guess. I don't know, but it was really good. 10 out of 10. We'll go again. And that was yesterday, and now we're gonna go and get breakfast. And hopefully it's good. But we all know I could have made it better because I can cook. But yeah, so y'all, you know what the breakfast look like. I don't know if I'm recording down there now. Like record. I'm still new to this, so I don't really know. I be a little nervous. But yeah, show you what the breakfast look like, and then I think after we're gonna get ready to go to SeaWorld, and then I'm gonna show y'all, you know, the rest of my day.
Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big, big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. But I might let you try it out the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many.
Hey y'all, we just got back to the hotel. The food was pretty good. I gave it a 7 out of 10. I could have made it better though. We already knew that though. But yeah, now we finna get ready to go to SeaWorld. I'm finna start getting ready. And yeah, I will see you guys then. Alright, hey y'all, I'm back. My makeup is done. I look like so cute. But yeah, we finna go. And I don't know, I was just gonna like not pick y'all up until we actually got there. But I was like, let me just show y'all my makeup and stuff. But I look so cute. But yeah, we finna go. Y'all wanna see the view? Not really much of a view for real. It probably look better at night though, more lit up and stuff. But yeah, we finna go. I look cute. My edges look good on both sides. Cause I know. But yeah, see y'all when we get to SeaWorld.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today.
Alright y'all, so we just got inside the park and it's giving right now. You know, we just walked in, so we haven't done anything yet. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get back to y'all when we about to get on a roller coaster or something. Show y'all like, you know, the roller coaster, what it looks like and all that. So yeah. But let me show you the park so far. Hey y'all, so it's way too hot out here, but I had to change my whole hairstyle. I had to put this thing up in a whole bun. My forehead on slow mode, giving Megamind vibes. But we done went to roller coaster ride. We went on a kiddie ride already, but I ain't show y'all because that was just like a little warm up. You know what I'm saying? I like real ride. But yeah, we're gonna go to roller coaster because it's too hot. I need some wind. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit y'all and I'm gonna show y'all what the next roller coaster gonna look like that we're gonna get on. Probably not gonna actually talk to y'all though. You're probably just gonna be like hearing music and stuff. But yeah.
Real, the love be fake. Be bumping their gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you couldn't.
Alright y'all, so we just got off the roller coaster ride. I had to put my hair down because I didn't want it to come out of the bun. Let's see if they got a picture of us. Look y'all. Look at my face. God, that thing was scary.
Yo, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live.
Hey y'all, so we just waiting on this show to start. We about to watch a show. I went on one ride. I almost went on the other one, but I chickened out. I ain't do it. But we waiting on the show to start, and I'm gonna record it for y'all so y'all can see it too. I think we're gonna go to 2 shows. This one, then like a dolphin one. It started at 8:15. We might be able to do a 3rd one. I think I just felt a drip on my head. It might start raining. But we might be able to do a 3rd one in between, but I don't know. It depends on what time, one of them start. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back to y'all. Wait, the next clip is gonna be us. It's gonna be us watching the show. So yeah. Other show, and now it's like 6 something, and we had this other show. It started at 7. It's like 6:40, almost 6:50. So yeah, y'all gonna see the clips of this, and we gonna get into it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. Bitches wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry Hey y'all, so we just got back in the hotel, literally like not even 5-10 minutes ago. I'm tired, I'm drained, I'm ready to take this makeup off and go to sleep. No, not never wake up, but not wake up for a whole 12 hours. Child, I am sleepy. But tomorrow we're going to the water park. Part of it. Look at my eyes. Red as a doggone, like I got pink eye. I'm tired. But yeah. That's pretty much it though. Like, you know, after the 2 shows and like I went on one roller coaster. And I was about to go on that second one, baby, I couldn't do it. I went on that one and I was done. But yeah, y'all seen the one I went on. Kinda. I tried to get some videos of it, but I couldn't really get none. But yeah, we just watched the 2 shows and then we left and I just got back to the hotel and I'm gonna go to sleep. And I'm going to talk to y'all in the morning. Good night. Hey y'all, I just woke up. And why they left us in the hotel room to get breakfast? They big hungry ass. Couldn't even wake us up or wait. You don't pay nobody to be that freaking hungry. They're stingy. I told my dad and his girlfriend, by the way. Because, like, who does that? Black people. I literally just woke up. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Finna wash my face, brush my teeth, and yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna hit y'all again when we get to the park. We're going to the water park this time. And yeah. See y'all.
Whip, body, whip, got it, job, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shop?
Hey y'all, so it's literally like the next day. I'm at work now, but it's literally like the next day. I was not able to record at the water park because I left my phone in the locker on purpose. Yes, I did on purpose because I'm at a water park. I ain't had nothing to put my phone in. I didn't want to have to be someone hold my phone while I'm doing this, and you know, like that wasn't realistic because we was all going on, you know, rides and stuff. So that was like, who won't hold my stuff? Nobody. Everybody left their phone in the thing, so it was like it was no way for me to do it. But I was just coming on here to like just close out the vlog and just, you know, just say thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed the vlog. I will post another vlog probably realistically in like 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share this to your mama, your stepdaughter, and baby daddy. Period. See you guys.